Yes, good morning, children. Good morning. We were discussing in the class, in our live class, about the land breeze, and sea breeze. The sea breeze. Sea breeze. Now, this land breeze and sea breeze I was explaining in the class to you. Many of you were asking some doubt. Now, what is that? Is a sea breeze is known as the onshore breeze also. Is that onshore breeze. Shore means the edge. Last, these are the coastal areas of the sea. Suppose this is the sea. Okay, this is the sea, and this is the mountain and the land. Here people are living. So what happens is during the day what happens is during the day the sun heat, because the sun heat, here both are heated up. Sea also is getting the sun rays and getting heated up, and the land also. But this during the day this gets heated up faster. Land gets heated up faster. And water gets heated up very slowly. It takes time. And so what happens is, as the sun gets off, there is no sun. At night, what happens is, this gets faster. Land breeze gets cooled down faster, and sea gets late. So it remains hot at night for a long time. Now, what is the characteristics of the heat? Heat. Hot air always rises up. When air gets heated up, then what happens is rises. That is the characteristics of the air. So hot air always rises up and remains the bottom remains empty. To fill that, what happens? The wind blows. The cold wind blows and fills the gap. And again it heats up, and then again it goes. So it goes on. It goes round and round and round. So what happens is the sea, when the breeze that comes at night, what happens? It cools down. During the day, what happens? It gets hot and it rises up during the day. The air here gets hot and then it rises up. To fill this gap, the wind from the sea comes. The cool breeze comes from the sea, because it is not hot. Water gets heated up very slowly, I said. So the wind from the sea comes and then cools down the area over this. It fills the gap of the hot air that has risen up, and then this gap is filled with a cool breeze. And so this is known as onshore breeze or sea breeze. Okay, during the day. Same thing happens in the night. When this gets cool, when the land gets cool, it cools down. Then what happens is this heats up, because it remains hot. So hot air, the hot water, at night water is becomes, so it constantly rises up. And then what happens? When it rises up, it leaves the empty place. And so from the land, the wind blows towards the sea. And then what happens? So it's known as the land breeze. Goes towards the sea. This is known as offshore breeze also. Offshore breeze. Do you understand? So this is the condition. Always it happens. It constantly rotates. During the day, the sea makes the land cool, and at night the land makes the sea cool. And so both of them are complementing. And so when they are complementing, people they enjoy. They have got people have got the moderate climate. Moderate climate at the seashore. At the coastal area, people, those who are having here living, they will have the moderate climatic condition. Moderate, what is the moderate climate? Neither hot nor cold. Neither hot nor cold. Neither hot neither too much hot nor too much cold. That is the condition of the, it's called moderate. Do you understand? So that is the condition of the area with the help of the sea and breeze and the land breeze. Okay, so this is the factor little bit I wanted to explain to you in this class. So this is what happens constantly, land breeze and this. Now altitude is the sea level. So this is known as altitude. This is called altitude. Any raised place, even if it is this height, is altitude. From the sea level, from the water level, this is the level. From there, anything that is up, right? Risen up, any land or the hills, the stone, or anything that is above is known as the altitude. That is just remember that the definition and the explanation of this. Now, if you have any other questions, then you can ask afterwards. Okay, so have a nice time. Thank you.